Good morning. Good morning, CB.
Good morning.
Good morning, CB.
Good morning.
This is all we get. This is all we get on a Friday morning.
It's Thursday, but yeah.
Good morning, everyone. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And today is no exception. Today, CB2 and I are going to do a little mega gas. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. CB, anything? If you want to talk to CB2, comment down below. He'd love to hear from you. CB2, what do you got for the people?
Subscribe. That's all it is.
CB2's not awake yet. Stay tuned and we'll see you at the job site. Here's the plan. We got a Navion unit going right here. It's going to take care of the basement apartment. We got to bring a gas line around this brick wall from this line that's already extended through the wall. Instead of drilling through all these joists or boxing in something else, we're going to wrap some mini strut along the wall. This way they can hang some copper lines for an outside shower also for the future. While we're doing this, we got to tie in this gas line here, which picks up the range. So we got to run some 1-inch around the wall and picking up this bottom meter, which as you see is here, and we're going to have to test it, all that good stuff. And of course, for this adventure, we're not going to cut and thread. We're going to use Megapress, Viega gas fittings to do this job. You gotta get the burr off.
Yeah.
Sold on burr. You know what I'm saying? That's actually not that bad. Real nicey nice. I'm just saying it's real good. Alright? Your heart. Bottom? Oh, that's good. Alright, get that saws over. We're done with saws off. Alright. 5 and a half. Down low. I'm gonna go 12 foot. Here's what we're doing. We got the unit strut up. We're gonna put a T in here for a future grill. Coming around 1-inch gal. I got CB2 on the scene out here. Today's task, little Mega Pro press. Coming at you from up. I need this 5.5 inches off the wall.
Run.
All right, brother.
Doctor, I'll be back though. Okay?
You got it. I'll be here till at least,
Yeah, I'll be like an hour.
all right, cool. You got it,
Want to
brother.
bring anything back? Or
Nah,
what?
man.
You okay, man?
We're good, bro.
All right, okay.
All right, baby. Boom.
You want to pro press that in first on one side?
This?
Yeah.
We're gonna let it sit just like that. Okay. Alright. Oh, excuse me.
Wait,
What?
won't it not turn after you do that?
It's on a loose end. Look down the end.
Oh.
It's not tied in yet.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, guess what I just did? Oh, that's close. I wanted to have that T facing up. I didn't double check it, but it looks good
You
anyway.
did that on purpose.
No, I didn't.
It looked good to me. I would have said something.
CB's taking care of that. I like that.
He's a little crippled today. Gotta help out.
Here's what I want you to do. Take a look at that from out back there. How's it look?
Oh, shit.
Looks like a winner? Alright. Pro press it up. Everything.
I won't
Tell you
do
what,
that.
hand me the 6-inch level and try.
No, I'm not.
No, wall.
Level.
We
I'm
can't go
saying
with
right
the
here.
wall.
Yeah. I was saying this way because there's more space here than but that's just a wall.
Perfect, dude.
Yeah.
Perfecto.
Alright.
Alright. Get the shot.
Yep.
Nice. Alright. There you go. There you go, you're in. Alright. Hold this. I got it. Watch your fingers. Bang. We're going to need a piece 61 3/4. 3/4 gallon. Hit that joker hard, man. Hard. 61 3/4, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Press it on. Let's get the gun. Get the gun, I'll hold that. Let's pro press this coupling. Well, we're trying to give you the idea that Megapress is totally boss. You know we're not feeling boss right now. Let's get a CB. Press that on. Alright.
Take this piece of wood out.
Just make it happen, Captain. It'll slide. Make sure you're in. There you go. It will press to where it's got to be, trust me. Alright? Make sure you get it on there right. There you go. Beautiful. Push it over. You just got Hold on one second. Oh, go ahead. You get that. We'll get that one first. We'll do down here in a second. Go ahead. I'm sorry. Let that thing slide on that thing. There you go.
It was.
Oh, well, it's
I
fine.
think.
Go ahead. Hold on. You're good. That one's already done. Let's go down here. No wrenches.
The 1 inch head. Should I do the 3/4 first?
Yeah, do the 3/4 first. Beautiful. Alright, switch it up.
It's supposed to be like this.
Yeah. Hold it up. Just when you press it, just hold it up.
See, you might have a problem.
What?
I don't think the head's gonna fit on it to move the pipe out.
Oh. Easy fix. Easy fix, eBay. Watch out. Let me get my seat. Oof. Alright. Alright, CB. It ain't gonna fall because that board's up there gonna hold it, right? Let me see something here, CB. Alright, we're good. Okay, here we go. Alright, CB, let's put this back in place here.
So we're gonna do with like 3/4.
You're gonna cut a nipple. Matter of fact, I'll give you a measurement.
You're gonna throw also?
Yeah. Nipple and a thread. You need a piece 6 inches with a cap on the end. Alright, CB. Oh. Lord. Come on.
Final touch. Nipple on the cap until I put the heater in. Down the road.
Here's what we did. A couple brackets on the lateral. One bad thing about Megapress is I got lucky on that T. I forgot to double check it up and down. It's off a little bit. So we're going to live with that here. I don't want to waste that T. And we're ready for a test. Put an air test on it and pull back. Use 2 hands. There you go. Right in. There you go. And what else you could do in that case? If you can't get it with a 12,
Just twitch it. Or
jump up and get a bigger wrench. All right.
you have to redo the meter part too.
What? Like that came out?
Yeah, I had to take it off. So
Oh, okay.
unscrew it. Put the wood.
All right, put this in first. Got 2 pair of pliers? Don't go. That's fine. You ain't gotta go kill yourself on that. You know what I mean? We're going all right. That's good right there. Was it tight?
Yeah.
All right. Put a gauge on. 2 pair of pliers. Just one quick hit. You know what I mean? Watch that gauge. You'll see it jump up right up. Small gas line. There you go. We got the something's leaking, I think. You always check your gauge and let it sit for 5 minutes. Tap it to make sure it doesn't drop. So right now we're on 2 pounds.
Slide the tooth Windex box.
Oh my God, that's right, ain't mine. I had to borrow this Windex from the guy next door, and I'm gonna slam this bottle. But you know what the funny thing is, Jumpy? You know what the real funny part about this is? Who's the leak on?
I didn't do that adapter. That was you.
You did the adapter.
That adapter?
You put the nip-on cap in there? You put the nip-on cap in there?
No.
Yes, you did. Come on.
Can you test our coupling?
Oh, someone's already been testing in here. Because guess who knows what's leaking? There's a leak. There's a leak. CB2. 3 leaks. Come on, get some pipe dope and 2 wrenches. Yes, they're both. There's not no pipe dope on this either. That's a leak. You always got pipe dope in this, right?
Yeah. Is this pro?
That's pro pressed in, yes. You just got to tighten up the ends. All right. At least none of the pro press is leaking, right? That's what I'm talking about. Oops, sorry. Hold back on the pro press, okay? On the nipple. When's he gonna be down? All right, tomorrow. You're gonna stop there at lunchtime before the doctor appointment. All right. And if not, maybe what time do you work till today? Okay, maybe today. I'm putting a hot water here as soon as I leave back and bring it to you. So I'll be over there till 2 or 3. All right, dude. All right, dude. I'll call the inspector to see if we can phone something. Bye. Yeah, you ain't gotta go crazy. 1/2-inch cap, we're just testing the joints, alright?
Okay.
Alright.
What are you doing?
Where's your other leak at?
I didn't do this.
Hold back on that. Alright, sit there. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Here it comes. You good? I'm out to check this one. I think you got this one. You put this on the device, didn't you? Today's plumbing lesson, apprentices. Always pipe dope to threads on iron pipe. And that's today's lesson. CB2, what's today's lesson? He's not very talkative. Anyway, lesson learned.